Bitcoin is right now on the verge of having an insane breakout, and in this exact video I will be talking about the price targets and how we could be trading the next Bitcoin breakout. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because I will be talking about what the targets are going to be if we break down, if we break bullish, and much more important stuff we need to discuss right now, because right now officially this fractal out of 2019 is playing out and we need to discuss the price targets on this video. So don't forget to slap up that like button. Can we once again smash it back above 600? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And once looking at the 30-minute time frame, you can straight away see the level we need to break above right now. So this level right here, the $25,100 to $25,200, is really the level that's currently providing resistance. But like you can see, if you're going to analyze the trend right now, we have been creating a higher low after higher low after higher low, and every single time we touch this level, we see a less exponential drop. Here we test it again, less exponential drop. We test it again and another less exponential drop. And right now we're coming once again closer towards this level. And the reason why I'm currently not going to short the $25,000, what I have been doing the last two times we retested it, is because you can see that the drops are getting weaker and weaker, what means the buy pressure is increasing and we're basically having a strengthening structure. And if we manage to break above this region, the Bitcoin price action is most certainly going to be flying towards the upside. So make sure to get ready for that one. So what I will be doing in terms of my trade, as soon as we confirm a break above this level, I am going to be opening up a long position for Bitcoin, and I'm going to talk about my price targets in a second from now on. So make sure to stick in this video. You can see it also on this time frame right here. We're creating less and less weaker bounces, what means the buy pressure is increasing. Still, if we break above this level right here, so of course on the 30-minute time frame the resistance, but still the 25.2k is for me the level to be breaking for Bitcoin. If I then also will be looking at the 1 hour time frame, you can see that we have got a resistance box and we have never been able to close the candle above 25.1k. So if we close a 1 hour candle above this level right here, we're already confirming a breakout of this ascending triangle. And from of this exact pattern, the price target for Bitcoin, as soon as we confirm the breakout, is going to be somewhere around 26.9k. So if you're going to take a long position on the retest and of course set your stop loss below the important support box, so as soon as we do break back in towards this level, it's basically going to indicate that we're going to of course go probably further down. We right now are looking to a risk to reward trade of an about 10. So that is an absolutely interesting trade. How I am planning to trade this is exactly on the breakout. Once we confirm it, I want to be longing the retest. So that 25k and $50 is of course that retest target. So that is actually what I'm currently looking at. And if we actually confirm the break below it again, then of course I'm going to get stopped out of my trades, because probably then we're experiencing a fake out and we could even go lower. So this is really the setup that I'm currently looking to trade right now for Bitcoin. And you can see also, in case if we're going to get a breakdown, let's say we're going to get rejected, we're not going to be breaking bullish at all here, we break below the upward sloping support box, what are my price targets? So let's say we're going to break bearish. My targets to long Bitcoin is somewhere around $23,000. Why? Is because $23,000 is the most volume traded range in this whole range right here, what means that probably the $23,000 is going to be the level that's going to provide significant support. So if Bitcoin breaks bearish, I'm not going to short it down here, but I'm going to open up a long position on $23,000 to catch the next bounce here. So there are many trading opportunities right now that are going to occur in the coming hours. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel right now, because I'm going to keep you guys up to date exactly what my next trade is going to be once I open it, of course. Then looking at the 4-hourly time frame symmetrical triangle, we actually officially confirmed the breakout and we're right now already moving up, and the price target from of this pattern right here is also somewhere around the 26.5k target. So that's also actually a beautiful price target, and a symmetrical triangle is a typical bullish bias continuation pattern, so it is actually looking quite bright for Bitcoin. But still, I don't really like to trade this one. Why? Is because currently I am not seeing a breakout confirmation on the 1 hour yet, and I'm also not seeing a breakout confirmation here on this horizontal 4-hour line. So that is the reason why I still have not opened up my next trade for Bitcoin. And I think it's extremely important to look at this level on the 4-hourly time frame, because because you can clearly see we did not got rejected once, not only twice, not only 3 times, not only 4 times, but 5 times in a row already. And of course, the more times you're going to retest a certain level, it's the same like knocking on the door. The more times you're going to knock, the more likely it's going to break, right? So this is definitely a very nice setup that we're currently looking at. And since an ascending triangle is also a typical bullish bias continuation pattern, it is very likely that we're going to see that continuation trend going to happen, and probably it's going to happen somewhere today, if not the beginning of tomorrow. So I'm expecting a volatile breakout either up or down anytime soon. And like I told you, if we break down, my targets are going to be around $23,000, what is of course an approximately $2,000 towards the downside, what is quite huge, right? At the same time, I'm still in my swing trade for Bitcoin, about $55,000 in profit, but I'm looking to open up that next trade, and of course that next trade is going to get filled up anytime soon. And my next trade is a scalp trade, what means that I'm going to close that trade also very quickly. And this trade right here is a swing trade, what I'm going to try to swing the big market moves, and that is of course currently what I'm doing, and that's why I'm making $55,000. If you are interested in trading, you can check out the links in the description. If you sign up an account using the link in the description, you can claim a $30,000 deposit bonus. Otherwise, if you don't do so, only 4,000, so it's a win-win situation. And at the same time, I would always say, make sure that you diversify your portfolio across several exchanges, and that's why I'm also using BitGet. I'm using BitGet and Bybit, and also BitGet is having an insane deposit bonus, so make sure to check that out in the link in the description right now. At the same time, we can see that the fractal here is right now breaking out. We can see the 2019 bear market looked very similar towards the 2023 bear market recovery, and ever since we officially confirmed the breakout of this fractal, we retested it, and right now we're bouncing up here. Last time around, we went more exponential towards the upside, but according to history, right now we are going to go in towards the exponential phase. So let's see if that is actually going to be happening for Bitcoin this time around yet again. Then, of course, currently the daily time frame for Bitcoin is absolutely going exponential, what is definitely very interesting to see right now. And at the same time, we're knocking on the high on the daily time frame, while also looking at the VPVR, looking on the 3-day time frame. We can currently see that we're approaching a very low volume range here, what means if we break in towards the low volume range, Bitcoin can move up very quickly, and the target for the low volume range is somewhere around $28,000, and that is why it is also likely to reach its targets around $27,000, right? And why Bitcoin can move up very exponentially. So make sure to get ready for that next move, because it could happen very quickly. And at the same time, we're still retesting the 200 weekly moving average around the 25.1k, and you can clearly see it on the 1 hour time frame. That 200 weekly moving average is currently still providing resistance. We're getting rejected by it every single time, and basically once I clearly see confirmation above it, and actually I want to see confirmation on that 4 hourly time frame. I mean, we have been seeing a fake out, but I want to see confirmation above it, especially also on the daily time frame. If we can manage to break above it again, we can manage to flip it into support just like here. And of course, if we once again break below it, it's going to be a very bearish signal, but currently we have not been able to break above this level. As soon as we do flip this level, it's going to be looking good for Bitcoin. So yeah, this was it for me on today's update video. I mean, Bitcoin is really getting ready for a massive move, whether it's up or down. We could be trading it both directions here. Like you can see, if we break the support, you could either short it, but I'm also going to be looking at that long position around the $23,000 barrier, because that is a big range of support for Bitcoin right now here. So anyways, thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new update video. I hope you're going to enjoy your trading day today, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.